Right, I've taken some of the 3D shapes away. Now we're going to play a bit of a guessing game. So I've found some random objects from around the house and I'm going to give you some descriptions about this object and you need to work out which shape it matches up to. Okay, so I'm going to give you some descriptions about my object and you're going to work out which shape it matches up to. So my first object is the same as one of these shapes and it has a curved face. So one curved face. And altogether it only has one face and it's a curved one. So I've started off easy. It doesn't have any edges as it only has one face. Which shape do you think my object might match up to? So the object that I've found is an orange. And it is similar to a sphere. It only has one curved face and it has no edges. Well done if you got that right. Right, my next object. This is a bit trickier, I think. This next object has 3 faces. 2 of the faces are the shapes of circles. And then the 3rd face is curved. So I'll have a little look. So we've got a cuboid here. Are any of the faces curved? Remember, I only said it's got 3 faces. Then we've got a cube. Remember, I said it's only got 3 faces. 1 is curved and 2 are the shapes of circles. Last of all, have a little look at this one. Cylinder. So how many faces has this one got? Give you a few more seconds. Right, my object that I found was a tin of beans. And the shape it matches up to is a cylinder. Because if you look carefully, it's got a face at the top, which is a shape of a circle. It's got a face at the bottom, which is also a face of the shape of a circle. And then here, this is its 3rd face all around it. And it is curved. Just like the sphere, it is a curved face. So this matches up to the cylinder. Well done if you got that right. Right, next one. Right, this next object that I found, I've actually found it in Archie's toy box. Now, this 3D object, all the faces are the same shape. So unlike the cylinder had 2 circle faces, one at the top, one at the bottom, and then it just had a curved face. This object that I've got matches up to a shape that has got all the same shape faces. It has got 12 edges. 12 edges. That's quite tricky. It's got 12 edges. And I'll give you one more clue. It's got 6 faces. And the faces are all in the shape of a square. Now we've only got 2 more that it might be. So have a little look. We've got the cuboid. So are all these faces the faces of squares? Or are some different shapes? The cube. Are all these faces in the shape of squares? Right, I'm going to reveal it. So the object that I found was one of Archie's building blocks, and it matches up to the cube. So as we can see on this and this, all of the faces are the shape of squares. So all the way around it has square faces. Well done if you got that right.